Welcome to Adu Globe. Discover new ideas, learn exciting things, and be amazed every day. Can you imagine a small, silent drone floating on the dark waves of the sea, suddenly rising and striking down a powerful fighter jet from the sky? This is not science fiction. This is the moment that rewrote the history of modern warfare. What kind of secret technology can bring down a jet worth millions with just one precise strike? And how did the world react when this silent hunter proved it could challenge the skies? Tonight, we reveal the unseen truth, the battle that no one believed could happen. Do you think drones will soon replace fighter jets in every war? Tell me in the comments. But the real question is, how is this even possible? Can a naval drone, a machine designed to move quietly through the waves, suddenly challenge the skies above? Or is there something far more secret, far more advanced, hidden in the shadows of modern warfare? Imagine a machine, small, silent, almost invisible to the radar, creeping forward beneath the surface. The enemy believes the danger is only from the air, but suddenly, the hunter becomes something more. Is it just a drone? Or a weapon so advanced that even pilots feel fear in the sky? What if this naval drone is not just a machine? What if it carries a hidden launcher, a secret strike system, something the world has never seen before? Could this explain how a target flying miles above the ocean suddenly vanished in flames? Viewers, think about it. A weapon that hides beneath the waves, unseen, and then strikes with the power to change the entire battlefield. If this is true, then the balance of air power and sea power may never be the same again. Do you believe this is the dawn of a new era of warfare, where the smallest drone can defeat the mightiest jet? So tell me, was this the work of a simple naval drone? Or is there a deeper secret that the world still doesn't know? Drop your thoughts below, because what you're about to discover will shock you even more. It was just another night over the Black Sea, the moonlight barely touching the waves, the silence broken only by the sound of a fighter jet roaring above. But beneath that calm ocean surface, something was moving. Something no radar could see. A silent hunter, waiting for its first strike in history. Imagine the scene. The pilot above believed he was safe, untouchable, ruling the skies. But at that very moment, the drone locked onto its target. For the first time ever, a sea drone wasn't just a weapon of the water. It had become a threat to the skies. And then, it happened. A sudden burst of light tore through the ocean spray, an experimental missile, guided by the drone itself, shooting upward with deadly precision. For the first time in history, the sea reached for the sky, and struck. The fighter jet, once a symbol of dominance, never saw it coming. A flash of fire in the night sky, a roar that shook the waves, and in that instant, the world realized, even the skies were no longer safe. This was not just destruction. It was a message, a warning, a moment that changed the battlefield forever. As the wreckage fell into the sea, silence returned. But nothing was the same anymore. A drone from the sea had just brought down a machine of the skies, and the world was left asking, if this was possible once, what else is coming next? So I ask you, was this just the first of many? Are we witnessing the birth of a new era, where the smallest machines rewrite the rules of war? Comment your thoughts below, because the story doesn't end here. For decades, fighter jets were considered untouchable. They were fast, powerful, and carried the pride of entire nations. But then, something changed. A machine that cost less than a single missile proved that even the mightiest aircraft was not invincible. It wasn't just an explosion in the sky, it was an explosion of fear. Think about it. Years of confidence, billions of dollars in technology, and in one instant, shattered. A drone, barely the size of a car, rewrote the rulebook. This wasn't just about one fighter jet falling. It was about the realization that the future battlefield belongs not to the biggest, but to the smartest. Military analysts worldwide asked the same question. If one drone can do this, what happens when there are hundreds? It's not the cost of the drone that terrifies. It's the idea that no pilot, no jet, no sky can ever truly be safe again. And here's the chilling part. This wasn't even the most advanced version. If a prototype could take down a fighter, imagine what the next generation will do. The balance of power has shifted, not by a nation's army, but by a silent machine born from the sea. So, ask yourself, If one fighter can fall, who's next? Could this be the beginning of a world where no sky is safe, and every ocean hides a predator? The story isn't just about one battle, it's about a future that has already begun. Inside Washington's think tanks, something unusual happened. When analysts saw the footage of a drone striking a fighter jet, their expressions were not of shock, but of quiet recognition. This, they whispered, is not just a victory on the battlefield. This is a glimpse of tomorrow. Military journals in the West began using one phrase over and over again: game changer. Because this wasn't simply Ukraine striking back. It was technology proving that the balance of power can be tilted not by the largest armies, but by the smartest tools. Maps of the Black Sea lit up in strategy rooms. For decades, this water had been controlled by fleets and fighter patrols. But now, the map carried new symbols, small glowing marks representing drones that could change everything. For NATO, this wasn't just about one incident. It was about rewriting the very playbook of behind closed doors. In NATO meetings, smiles were exchanged. Not because of destruction, but because of confirmation. A low-cost, high-impact weapon had just proven itself. And for the first time in years, the West saw a new advantage emerging, not on land, not in the sky, but from the sea below. And the question that spread through every defense office was simple. If one drone could silence the sky, how many more secrets are waiting in the depths of the ocean? Was this a single strike, or the first chapter of a silent revolution? And so, history will remember this night, not just as another strike in a long war, but as the night when a small drone, born from necessity, pulled a giant from the sky. It was the moment that reminded the world, in modern battles, size doesn't decide destiny, strategy does. For Ukraine, this was more than just a tactical win. It became a symbol. A reminder that courage, ingenuity, and determination can rewrite the story, even against overwhelming odds. And for its allies, especially the United States, it was a moment of pride, a moment that confirmed that resilience still shapes the future. But as the world celebrated, another question quietly echoed in the halls of power. If one drone could bring down a fighter, what comes next? Is this the dawn of a new era, where the smallest machines redefine the biggest wars? Images flash across the screen, the drone gliding over dark waters, the sudden strike, the shocked faces in control rooms, the whispered discussions in NATO halls. A story of resilience, resistance, and revelation, all captured in a single sequence that will echo for years. And this is where you come in. If you believe the world deserves to see the truth, if you believe that courage will always find a way to rise, then don't just watch this story. Share it, let it echo across borders, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, because the battles of tomorrow are already unfolding today, and together, we will uncover them all.